In this video, I will show you how to install Tailwind CSS and VS Code. I have open live server so you can see changes right away. Firstly, we can simply go to Google and type Tailwind CSS and go to official Tailwind website. Now we need find installation instructions. In this page, you can find instructions for different frameworks. For our simple HTML project, easiest way is to include CDN. So, we need to copy script tag and add it to our HTML file header tag. Now let's use some Tailwind CSS styles in our code. As we see, styles are applied. If we comment out, it won't work. For more configuration, we can copy another script file for configuration and then see if it works. This solution should be used for small and training project, not for something in real production. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.